August 24, 2015, a man called Braun Strowman joins the Wyatt family. He, Braun Strowman, WWE Universe was shocked by seeing Braun Strowman joining the Wyatt family. On Raw, 24th August, Strowman struck the Steel members of Roman Reigns and Dean Ambrose with a very dangerous manner. He took down the Superman and the Madman single-handedly. On the other hand, the giant Big Show, who can knock out the superstars of WWE with his one punch. The former Intercontinental Champion and the World Heavyweight Champion, Big Show. What happens when these two superstars come in the face-to-face? WWE should consider this match between these two superstars, Braun Strowman versus the giant Big Show. If they, so the match will be so amazing and interesting and destructive and so fun. Please comment below your opinion about it. Subscribe for more and click here to know about Braun Strowman.